Some bears catch fish. This one's trying to upgrade to a fishing vessel.
Raise your hand if you are super feisty today.
Hey friends, somehow animals...
Stinkt dir das?
Fun fact, puppies don't understand enough. They only understand again.
Don't. Okay, I'm gonna be
Non ridere, non ridere, non ridere.
I got you a sister. Oh. I got you a sister.
É tipo assim, mãe, vou te matar palma, vou te amar.
O drama, meu Deus. A gata...
That's fucking mental.
The puppy didn't find a lap. He found a whole cow.
What happens when you wake up 5 seconds before the alarm goes off?
These furballs always bring peace and security when staying close, and being so affectionate like this.
Folks, the owl can rotate about 270 degrees, not a full 360.
It started like a love story and ended in an argument.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go! 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 Get it! Go get it!
Animals bring so much more than laughter. They bring comfort, love.
Good boys, bad cops. If these goofy pups made you smile, please like and subscribe for more. See you.
Definitely not.
Choosing a couch gets a little more complicated when you have a cat.
No. Okay.
Daisy clearly does not support sharing attention.
Bakit ganyan? Pipi na pipi yung...
Woman, you are no longer an owner, you are a structural support beam.
Sometimes silence is just another way of showing love back.
I've got my blue light glasses on, and this thing has never seen glasses before, and she is teething.
Kids only remember lessons well when they're taught like this.
Ini bolanya. Sayang. It's the best one. It's like literally.
Huh?
Jangan tiktik. あ、持ってきてくれたよ。優しいね。
Веду сама скройтесь.
Oh my God!
Give that buffalo a cape. He's the superhero of the animal kingdom. Better grab the organic salmon flavor kibble.
Star, what are you doing? You're not going in. Come. Get off the stoop.
Ay, qué calor hace. Ya lo bajé. Y no comparto. No comparto aire. ¿Me das pollito? Un poquito de pollito, ¿sí?
Vulture is like, who are you? Do you mind if I pick your bones?
Oui.
In a dog argument, behold, the art of war, Chihuahua style.
Boyfriends must pass the Tiny Terror test first.
The smallest encounters create the biggest feelings. Thanks for watching.
Someone get this child a lasso. He's ready for the ranch.
Don't just throw your socks, dude. He's gonna steal your sock.
Sir. The higher he stands, the more powerful he feels.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
She's so angry. She's so angry.
Well, I guess I'll keep you safe.
This one boycotted the entire safety department.
Are you serious? Oh my god! What did I do?
If you're into risky stuffs, remember these dudes as ultimate unpredictable factors.
Seems like we have a rock star in the making.
Sometimes, doing absolutely nothing is the ultimate sign of pampering, isn't it? The biggest struggle for these guys must be failing to mimic the original.
So we've got Parrot, Michonne, and of course Enya the Nightbird. Aww, cuteness.
The vines didn't trap him. He's becoming a forest spirit.
Hey, get back!
Peak customer satisfaction. Give the product a 5-star review without saying a word.
Chili. No, don't take your phone. No. Billy, hey, leave it. Hey. Hi. Brilliant!
I can hear your fat walking down the hallway.
And trying to have her soup. What are you going to do? Mister! It's not the Snickers! Remember when you got the Snickers? Mommy takes care of you!
A snow angel? Hey, you guys.
I bet this group of dogs will sleep really well tonight.
The single brain cell's working overtime today. She didn't come for friendship, she came for the menu.
Hi.
Bro really joined the wellness journey without registering online first.
Lull me to sleep, Human. It makes me feel so safe.
Honey. What you doing?
One tip for getting your dog to put on the speaker itself.
Get up, Bubba. I'm trying. Get up. All right, get up.
Is this a weird-looking dog or a very large cow, Human?
Leave. No. Yeah. Leave him alone. Go away.
When Doggo activated the emergency "Look at me instead" button.
These dogs are high-drive working breeds. They move so they exist.
Just another day, gonna move my car. Oh, what's this? We buy jump. Oh man, what's wrong with my car?
Cats never drink strange things. That's why they often steal others' drink. It's been proven safe.
Donkey's current job title: full-time cuddle platform. This is less a farm and more a puppy daycare center now.
He's ready to fight crime on land, not in the water.
Australian Shepherd puppies come preloaded with unlimited energy.
Good boy. Take my sock off.
This dog found a very specific way to be helpful.
Good boy.
Ruby, what do you have underneath there? What is under there, Ruby? Let's see. Lift up your skirt. Lift it up.
Traffic rules have been temporarily replaced with nap time rules.
Banana. Banana.
Ooh.
Duckling logic. If you can't fly yet, improvise. Every step's practice for coordination and strength.
There's way too much orange behavior happening here.
Win! I'm down here! This is why you're supposed to stay close.
Cats are natural ambush predators, and this kitty doesn't care about size.
You scared. Oh no, I'm sorry. We're gonna do that blood work with the.
The dog's freedom comes with mandatory affection taxes.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is up forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom.
First meeting a Chihuahua is basically a date with a shy person.
Nobody can say this turtle didn't give it a try.
Tell me your dog's raised by cats without telling me.
Tutu ah. Yeah. Mundur. Tutuan tanganmu kuwi. Tutuan lah tanganmu kuwi ya. Yo, dianu cocok iki. Oh, Are you still wound up from your walk? Yeah? Stop.
Was that her?
Yeah.
No Wi-Fi, no video games. This is the kind of childhood that doesn't need screens to feel magical.
Oh boy, he knows he looks cool.
Come on, dude. Give me a minute.
Coach, come out and talk about the fact that you peed on the floor downstairs. Coach, we need to have it. We need to talk. We need to talk right now.
Please be quiet. A musician's composing his musical masterpiece.
Good reading material so you can learn a lot of good information. And then this, is this interesting to you?
Look at her. Look, she just really just. She's like, I'm listening. She's like, I like you.
The luxury version of a natural nest.
It's hard not to smile when a dog looks this happy.
Cleaning? Nah, he's bettering his jawline perfection.
I have no idea why, but this is her new favorite spot. I don't get it, but I'm happy for her.
Me trying to explain where the bathroom is to someone who doesn't speak English.
What? Was the water spicy? Yes. There's no heater in there now. It's not spicy anymore, I promise.
Pull me downstairs.
Get a cat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You'll never feel the love that you would feel from a cat. You earn the love you feel from a cat.